Hey guys, how's it going? It's your favorite realtors here, Shiv and Diana. What are we up to today?
So today we're in another adventure. We're making some fish soup, some fish head soup.
No, we was making corn soup, and then you had fish from the other day. So now we're making fish head corn soup.
Listen, all the leftovers we put in the pot and we're cooking it.
So you just mashing up.
And then we're gonna leave to go show home and come back.
There you go. So
That's
let's get started. What we got going on here, honey?
Okay, so this is our vegetables. We use some cassava or yuca, sweet potato. You got garlic, onion. You gotta get your pepper, of course. You got some edo, corn, and we got some carrots, plantain. You got ginger for flavor. You got some shadow benny. So Shiv is Trini, if you didn't know, I'm Guyanese, so we mix our flavors together. It come out really good.
Nice.
We got some, what is this? Some cock soup.
Cock soup. You need cock soup.
Oh, and of course barley. Can't forget the barley.
Nice looking barley.
Make them, make you strong. Oh, and we got okra for finishing.
What kind of okra is that?
This is from the Indian store. It's nice. It doesn't have that spiky thing.
It's not from your backyard.
Oh, yeah, we pick it from the garden. No, we catch a fish from our pond. Just kidding. Oh, of course, listen, no West Indian meal is complete without your fresh grind up green seasoning. So this we put all our herbs from the garden.
So how do we do that?
Broadleaf thyme. You got garlic, pepper, shadow benny, cilantro, parsley. I mean, just dash it in there. You got some ginger.
We don't put onion in here.
No onion, it can spoil.
I mix it up and then we just keep it frozen.
We freeze it in a sealer bag, freezer seal bag, so that way it's fresh. Every time we take one out, we put it in a jar and keep it in a fridge when we need it.
And who does do the grind up seasoning?
Shiv.
There you go.
Chef Shiv. So we're gonna show you process by process what we're doing, and you'll see the final product.
We inside today because outside the
It's kind of gloomy, yeah.
What's up, family? What are we cooking today? What are we cooking? That's a nice eyelet, hot right there. So what we got? Onion a chip up, you saw in the time lapse. Ginger, garlic, and shadow benny. And I got a hot pepper right here. So I'm going to put this one over here. I got my beautiful wife chef video. Oil is hot, so let me get to it. Ooh, fire. Ready? All right, good. So now, nice caramelization there. We're going to throw in the barley, dry barley.
And remember, there's no one way when you're cooking.
You know, you're going to get comments, you're going to get people say, look how the boy doing thing wrong and this and that. And how he kitchen nasty. You know what? I like that. Let's throw in the corn. Because we got our water heating up. The son and daughter like corn. Corn on sale, 3 for $5. Fresh from the backyard. Nice, man. You're gonna get a good smell. When you're buying your house, great to put in a pot filler. Just need a little water, just so the onion doesn't stick. Get the barley going. We'll get some more water in here just now. Nice.
I'm the videographer.
Today.
Yeah. I teach you how to cook so that we can cook for us.
This is a different one. They have a yellow one and then they have the cilantro one. I dash the whole thing inside. Alright, look. Cheating a little bit. You can't have a good soup without this. Cock soup mix. Must throw in your cock soup mix. When you clean up your pantry and you find flavor the pot, spicy cock seasoning.
How is that funny?
Your mama man. I throw in 2 packs. One is spicy and one is just a regular. Now I'm gonna dash in some coconut milk from Grace. Grace, send me out. Send me out. Send me out. Oh man, I'm only pouring in like maybe half of that.
It's a big pot.
I want to see how it looks. Man, dash in the whole thing.
More flavor.
You know, more flavor. That's the only packaging thing I'm using.
That's the fun thing about cooking. You
Last
can't
thing.
mess up. Whatever you do,
Last
it's
thing.
your touch.
I'm gonna get a spoon.
When you're baking, you need to get
This is some
grind up.
the grind up season we talked about. I'm gonna put one spoon. That's my 1 spoon. Could put 2 spoon.
Yeah, you can.
2 spoon of that. And we start up, see how everything looking. Looking nice, boy. We didn't even throw in the fish yet. But guess what? Oh my god. Smell that, babes. Smell through the camera.
Smell-o-vision.
Bad. Look at that. Okay, cool.
Right.
You know what? I feel like dashing in everything right now.
You're boiling everything in there.
I'm gonna dash in everything. We're gonna dash in.
Do you even time how long you cook everything?
No. No time. You gotta feel. Yuca. Sweet potato. What else?
Plantain.
Plantain we throwing in here. We got some plantain this side. You know? Sweet potato, plantain. I love sweet potato. So I put a whole bunch of that. What else you got down there? Carrots is down there. Look, more plantain. Yuca. Say
Cassava.
cassava.
Yuca is the Spanish word for cassava.
Let's dash it, man.
That is my favorite.
More from this side. Yeah, store pot. This is a lot, babes. We still have the fish to put inside.
The fish is gonna
Oh,
be
Russ. This not gonna fit. We gotta get a bigger bowl.
You still got okra for your
Yeah.
fishing texture spinach.
I got changed my spoon now. I ain't even throwing everything yet, babes. What are we gonna do?
It'll melt, it'll melt.
Gonna melt. Alright, cool. Now we hope for it to melt.
Shiv.
Because I don't know where that fish gonna stay.
So he's actually cooking and sent some to our clients who lives in the neighborhood today.
One client to get food today.
Because she's babysitting her kids.
Yeah, I usually check
Oh,
this.
pop quiz. What's the number one thing you do when you start cooking?
Wash your dirty hand.
And what's the main ingredient in all your food?
Love.
There you go.
Alright, leave it.
Well.
Good. Pick up a pot spoon to lash me
Main ingredient, pepper.
Pepper because you're spicy. Dash it in. We have corn soup going on today. Fish head right there. I ain't put it in yet. Bhaji ain't put it in yet.
Where is it?
Okra and bok choy, right?
Where you dumpling gonna fit?
Dumpling go fit somewhere. Look.
Dinner.
So I ain't write your contract yet for your house because I'm cooking your soup. We doing it? Troubling me cooking.
I'm trying to help you. Your pot overflowing.
So what you doing?
Just so happen we chip up too much provision. So we're taking out the corn so that we can put in the fish because you need a flavor.
Yeah.
And we can put in our spinach
I put in too much corn.
because you sound like corn.
Well, you like corn, you gonna get corn. Corn to the belly full. Yeah, that way we have room for the fish.
Because you need a flavor from the fish. There we go. Now you have room.
Thank you. So Diana cleared up, you just saw. She cleared up a whole bunch of space for the fish to go in. Look man, they're going in nice. This is bass, right? Strike bass.
Like that.
Strike bass we fired up the other day. Nice man.
So sometimes it happens. Your food is bigger than the pot.
Yeah.
So your eye bigger than your belly. So then you gotta make it.
Mm.
Not
I ain't done it more.
So what did you just do?
I just turned the bok choy. Can't really move it around. Let it steam. Let everything melt away, and then we'll get to turn it around. In the meantime, this glass empty. Now we fix up. So I have my wifey separating the soup because it's too much damn soup in one pot. Look, just separating it.
Separate
Fit
but
everything.
equal.
Mm-hmm.
So sorry guys, forget the video because this is new test. So put in our code, I'm done separated, so looking really good. We have enough space now. This is in. Oh, spinach now. Put in spinach now. I'm putting spinach now. And then, I wasn't gonna do this, but I'm not thinking about it. How about some dumpling? Wrong dumpling. You want some dumpling? You want dumpling? Hey, fresh like pumpkin. We got some this. This is gonna melt a little bit. Don't worry much. Alexa, raise the volume up 10. She's listening to you! Alexa, volume down. See? Alright, let it come to a boil. Boil it, and it's gonna melt away like magic. We got this.
Some more water. Nice. We don't want it too thick. You know, I like soup. Like soup. You know, not thick soup. Alright, let me make the dumpling. Simple.
There's some of these flavors.
This is self-rising. Pillsbury. Pillsbury, send me
Free flour.
a 5 pound of flour now. Snuff dumpling. Kids like dumpling, man. Dash dumpling.
That's a lot.
We'll leave you make roti. Put some water. Not much water, a little bit of water. Gotta season the I could use this. I could use this. Okay, just to season the dumpling a little bit.
So that's who you put in. Think
Where
you
is
just, You just throw in anything you can find.
Where is it? Where is it? Right there, Mr. Dash.
Mrs. the Hunt.
Mr. Dash, man. That's what I was throwing. Dash it in. Dash in some here.
That's why
And
man
dash in.
food always tastes better than
Dash in.
women.
Dash
Just
it
throw
in, man.
everything in.
That is
Find
salt,
the
that's
love
everything.
tasty aroma salad, throw it in.
Right. What else you want to throw in? Throw in
Some
lasagna. Good.
paprika.
No, I've done spicy already. Throw in some curry powder. Alright, just take your hand. Simple.
Wash
Yes.
it.
Yeah, wash it. Wipe it on my pants. That's it. And then you'll see you need some more water. Put some more
salt,
water.
Sugar, or anything.
No, because that's salty already. Oh, cook it. Oh, I'm dashing in my pants. No.
That good husband.
Yeah, man.
Roti good. Wrong.
See? You see?
That's why I'm marrying.
You know what? And listen, this is like one of our first videos we actually posting up on YouTube.
Well, our friends and clients tell us they enjoy our silly comic videos, so we're doing this for you guys.
You know what? Yeah. But hit subscribe.
I'm buying a house, you know, if you know anybody looking to buy or sell.
Hit subscribe, man. Hit subscribe. You know, because if you see our Instagram, our Facebook, we're real. You know? So hit subscribe. Alright, cool. I think it's ready.
Okay.
This is good to go, man.
You gotta start it halfway.
Start from it. Your hand more beautiful. I like your nails, you know.
Oh, yeah, for Easter.
Watch. Bang. Watch. Bang, man. That's it. Watch it there.
Oh my god, that's a big one. Oh my god, that's like an egg ball. That's a damn cassava egg ball.
Tell you.
This thing it looks
Watch.
like an egg.
That's that. And just roll it, man. Roly poly.
Oh my god, that's gonna be like a dinner roll.
You like? Oh, you like my wife commentary?
I'm the sous chef helping Shiv.
Slash commentary.
There you him commentate. He said what? Too many chefs spoil the brat? Let's see if we're gonna spoil.
Hey, this is how we met. We met like this.
Put some Trini flavor from Shiv, some Guyanese flavor from me.
This is how it happened.
We make a meal. And our kids love it.
Look at that, man. Dumpling for them kids.
You buy a house, you get a bowl of soup.
Then we don't have enough soup to give for everybody.
First come, first serve.
The
I think we have enough soup to feed.
Phone blowing up right now with people who want the soup now. Hi, babes. Since I love you so much, I want to take a taste test.
Oh my god, you sent me. So first you gotta put your finishing touch. Scallion, fresh.
Yes, man. So hot.
It's fun, see. And then... Oh,
Taste test, man.
take a dumpling.
Take a dumpling.
So we're supposed to take some
Take a
both back?
dumpling. No, man. Both pot cooked with love.
Okay.
Take a little piece of fish.
If we can find the fish.
The fish in the bottom. Oh, she got a piece of fish. Look at that fish. Bang.
There's a nice piece.
Subscribe, eh?
Oh my gosh. Let me get this.
Taste testing time, boy.
Okay, so we made a little bit of lime juice with pepper and some of the shadow belly grind up green seasoning.
Nice.
And just pour it on the top so you get a nice zing.
Oh, look at that.
If you like some sour because of fish and you get some lime.
Try that. Do it like a Guyanese. How it tasting?
Ari, here.
Harry?
Cure COVID.
Bad. If you're a client, you're getting a little bit today. Nice, man.